Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: Net SDK and an IDE. First, create the MVC project now and register typed or named HTTP client with add HTTP client and program. CS. Once done, add an interface for your API client and a concrete class that accepts HTTP client in the constructor. Make sure to configure base address and default headers there. This gets you immediately into code rather than setup details, so you can call endpoints with clean dependency injection and testability. Once the client is registered, implement async methods that serialize DTOs and parse JSON responses using system. Text, JSON or Newtonsoft. You call HTTP client methods and check response. Is success status code? If not, read error content and map to exceptions or a result object. Make sure to use cancellation tokens and configure reasonable timeouts. For post or put, use post as JSON async to keep code concise. This structure separates concerns and lets MVC controllers stay. You inject the typed API client into your MVC controllers and call its async methods from actions, awaiting results and mapping DTOs to view models. Once done, validate model state and return appropriate views or JSON responses. Make sure to add logging around calls and implement poly-based retries for transient failures. If things go wrong, check the configured base address, headers, and timeouts first. Often a 401 or 404 is a misconfigured URL or missing authentication token, so verify those settings before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.